All right, so test review. Equations in one variable. Write the reciprocal of each number. Reciprocal, if you look in your Math Interactive notebook, it tells us the reciprocal is the inverse of a fraction or a whole number. Here are some examples. The reciprocal of 1 over 4 is 4, or 4 over 1. Okay? So the reciprocal of 4 would be 1 over 4. The reciprocal of 4 over 1 would be 1 over 4. Here's another example. The reciprocal of 4 over 7 is 7 over 4. I know the reciprocals because if I multiply those two numbers together, they'll equal 1. That's what makes them reciprocals. So, if I look here, this is nice and easy. 1 over 8, reciprocal is 8 over 1. Or you could just write 8. Negative 5, the reciprocal is 1 over negative 5. Yes, all I did was flip them. And if there's no number there, I can write that as a fraction, like that. Reciprocal of negative 6 over 5, all I got to do is flip it. That's it. Those are done. Number 4. X minus 3 equals 6. These are all one-step equations. They're asking me to use my 5 steps for solving equations, okay? If you don't know the 5 steps for solving equations, guess what? That's in your Math Interactive notebook as well. 5 steps for solving equations. Distribute, combine, rewind or reverse, solve or answer, and check. Alright. So, here we go. I'm going to draw my river. X minus 3 equals 6. Can I distribute? There's nothing to distribute. Can I combine? There's nothing to combine on this side because I can't combine x minus 3. Over here, there's nothing to combine on this side. There's just 6. Time to rewind. The reverse of negative 3 or minus 3 is plus 3. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other. I draw a line. These cancel. I'm left with x equals 6 plus 3 is 9. Here. River. Can I distribute? Nothing over here to distribute. Nothing on this side to distribute. Combine. I cannot combine x minus 5. I cannot combine anything with the 7 because negative 7 is over there by itself. Time to rewind. Minus 5, opposite is plus 5. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other. These cancel. Minus 7 plus 5 is a minus 2. Equals, I'm left with x. Number 6. River, can I distribute over here? No. Can I distribute over here? No. Can I combine over here? No. Can I combine anything here? No. Time to rewind. Plus 15, the opposite is minus 15. I do that on both sides. X, this cancels. Equals 26 minus 15 is 11. 8, 1/2 A equals 6. Here's my river. Can I distribute over here? No. Can I distribute over here? No. Can I combine anything over here? No. Can I combine anything over here? No. Time to rewind. This is a multiplication problem. 1/2 times A. It's time to do the reverse. So the reverse would be division, but we don't divide fractions. Let's write a note. We don't divide fractions. We multiply by the reciprocal. Okay, let me look in here. I just wanted to see that I have an example in our Math Interactive notebook. All right, so the reciprocal of 1 over 2 is 2. So times 2 over 1 times 2 over 1. Because what I do to one side, I have to do to the other. My 2's cancel. I'm left with 1, and 1 times A is A. I'm going to draw a line. Equals 6 times 2 is 12. 12 over 1 is still 12. Number 9. I have, let's see, can I distribute anything? No, there's nothing to distribute. Can I combine anything here? No. You're fine. Can I combine anything here? No. Time to rewind. This is a multiplication problem. The opposite is division. We don't divide fractions. We multiply by the reciprocal. The reciprocal of this would be 7 over 13. 7 over 13. I'm sorry I wrote it down like this because that number was in the way. Right here, I had a 7 on the top and a 7 on the bottom, so those cancel. I got a 13 on the top, 13 on the bottom, so those cancel. I'm left with M equals. I have 13 on the top, 13 on the bottom, so those cancel. I have a 7 and a 14. Well, I know 14 can be divided by 7, and 7 can be divided by 7. This will be 2. This will be 1. I have a negative sign, so my answer is negative 1 over 2. Number 10, can I distribute? No. Can I distribute? No. I'm drawing my river. Can I combine anything here? No. Can I combine anything here? No. Time to do the rewind stage. This is a multiplication problem. The opposite of multiplication is division. This is a decimal. I'm just going to divide like normal. Everybody got all confused when they saw the decimal. Oh my gosh, what do I do? You divide. That's it. It's just a decimal. These cancel. I am left with P equals, so 7.2 divided by 0.4, or you can look at it as 72 divided by 4. And my answer is 118, 1.8. Oh, I'm sorry, just 18. Not 1.8, just 18. All right, let's keep going. Miss Egan's cold black heart beats 12 times during 1/8 of a minute. At that rate, how many times does Miss Egan's heart beat each minute? So we want to know beats per minute. That's my X, beats per minute. That's the thing I don't know. So they want us to create an equation. What I do know is 12 times during 1/8 of a minute. I do know that. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay? 12 times during 1/8 of a minute. Okay? So I'm going to set my equation up. One side I'm going to have 12 because I know it equals, I know this 12 times. On the other side I'm going to have my 1/8 of a minute times X. Okay? And I'm actually going to scribble this out. Only reason I'm scribbling this out because I wrote it right in the middle and there's no room for me to work. So 1/8 X equals 12. That is my equation. The 1/8 is the rate that I'm using, is the time that I want right now. I do not know my beat per minute. That's my X. And 12 was the answer I got. It's how many beats I actually got for this time. All right, so let's solve. Can I distribute? No. Can I combine over here? No. Can I combine over here? No. Here's my river. Time to rewind. 1/8 X is a multiplication problem. I'm trying to solve for X. The reverse would be division. We don't divide fractions. So I have to multiply by the reciprocal. The reciprocal of 1/8 is, I hope you said 8. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other. This cross cancels. 1 times X is X equals 12 times 8 is 96. Okay, you will see a problem like this on your test, so you need to be able to recognize what am I multiplying by, and you're usually going to have to do this something per minute or something per that. You're multiplying, that's going to be the thing you don't know, and you're going to have to multiply it by that time that's there, all right? Let's keep going. 2-step equations. Same process. I'm still using the 5 steps. Nothing's changed except now those 1-step things, here we subtracted or added, here we multiplied or divide. I'm going to have to do it twice. I'm always going to subtract or add first, and then I'm going to multiply or divide. Let's do it. Can I combine anything on this side? I'm sorry, can I distribute anything? Because we distribute first. Can I distribute here? No. Can I distribute anything here? No. Can I combine anything on this side? No. Can I combine anything on this side? No. Time for the rewind stage. I'm trying to solve for y. I have this minus 5 here that's ready to go over here with this 15. So I got to rewind it to the side. Minus 5, the opposite is plus 5. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other. 15 plus 5 is 20 equals 2y, and these cancel. Oh, here we go. I'm at a 1-step equation. This is awesome. I'm trying to solve for y. This is a multiplication problem. The opposite is division, so I'm dividing by the number that's there. The coefficient is 2. Divide by 2 here. 20 divided by 2 is 10 equals 2's cancel. I'm left with y. Please do not, please, we beg you, right, Miss Scanlon? Do not put your y over here and your 10 over here just because you want it over there. Follow straight down. Follow straight down. If the 10 or your standard number is on the left side, leave it on the left side. Do not just move it on the right side because you feel like it. Okay? Not a good look. Here we go. Distribute. Can I distribute here? No. Can I distribute here? No. Combine. Can I combine anything here? No, because I have 4b plus 24. There's no b here, so I cannot put those together. Can I combine here? No. Time to rewind. I'm trying to solve for b. So I'm going to move this plus 24 to the other side. The opposite is minus 24. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other. This is where everybody got all, oh my gosh, Mrs. Furman, I don't know what to do. Yes, you do. You're going to keep going. I don't want you to stop just because it doesn't look like you're used to it looking. 4b, these cancel, equals 24 minus 24 is 0. Nothing wrong with that. Keep going. I don't want to know what b is. This is a multiplication problem. The opposite is, hope you said division. Divide by, hope you said 4. What I do to one side, I have to do to the, cross these 4's out. I'm left with b equals 0 divided by 4. Still nothing. So b is 0. And if you don't believe me, plug that 0 back into that problem. 4 times 0 is 0, plus 24 is 24. Trust yourselves, you can do this. Next problem, can I distribute here? No. Can I distribute here? No. Can I combine here? No. Can I combine here? No. Time to rewind. I have a minus 6. I'm going to move that over here. So the opposite of minus 6 is plus 6. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other. The reason I'm moving this is because I have a number without a variable and a number without a variable. So I can put those together if they're on the same side. Here I have negative 2x. The 6's cancel, equals 20. This is now a multiplication problem. Opposite of multiplication is division. I'm going to divide by, what I do to one side, I have to do to the, hopefully this is what you said. Okay. X equals negative 10 because 20 divided by a negative 2 is a negative 10. All right, let's go. Vivian's parents allow her to watch 10 hours of television per week, okay? 10 hours, that's all we got to work with, equals 10. This week, Vivian plans to watch several 2-hour movies and 4 hours of reality TV. Okay? Several, I don't know, unless you know what several is. I have no idea what several is. But I know that each one of those movies is 2 hours, and I know for sure she's watching 4 hours of reality TV. They want us to write and solve an equation to determine how many 2-hour movies Vivian watched this week. All right, so I got this. Several 2-hour movies. Something, I don't know what this number is. 2x plus 4 hours of reality TV. This is my equation. Okay, let's solve. Can I distribute? No. Can I distribute? No. Can I combine anything on this side? No. Can I combine anything on this side? No. Let's rewind. I have a 4 without a variable. I have a 10 without a variable. The opposite of plus 4 is minus 4. When I do to one side, I have to do to the other. This leaves me 2x. The 4's cancel, equals 6. Of course, I messed up. I got to write this over here. 2x equals 6. All I did was just rewrite it over here because I ran out of room. This is multiplication problem. Opposite of multiplication is division. So I'm going to divide by 2. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other. These cancel. X equals 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay? So you got to be able to pick this information out of these word problems. Let's keep going. All right. This one, it says, match each math sentence with the correct math equation by placing the correct letter from the equation with its word translation. 3 choices are going to be left over. Okay? 3 of them I'm not going to use. So I personally would start rewriting these before I start picking out these. All right? Let's do this. 16. 3 more than 4 times the number is 15. Well, I know this right here is equals 15. I know 4 times the number looks like this. 4 times the number. And it says 3 more than means I got to add 3. All right? So that's my first one. Let's look at the next one. 4 less than 6 times the number is 12. I'm going to start here. Is 12 means equals 12. I got 6 times the number, so 6 in, and then I got 4 less. Take 4 away. All right, let's go to the next one. 2 less than the quotient of a number, and 8 is negative 10. So I got my is negative 10. That tells me equals negative 10. Quotient of a number and 8. So that is a number and 8. That's division. And then 2 less than means I got to take 2 away. Okay? Next one. 7 more than twice the number is 1. Is 1 twice the number. 7 more than. Alright. 10 less than the quotient of a number and 5 results in 55. Results in 55. Quotient of a number and 5. Number and 5. 10 less than minus 10. Last one. 9 more than negative 3 times a number is the same as negative 27. Is the same as negative 27? It just means equals negative 27. Negative 3 times a number. Negative 3 times a number. 9 more than plus 9. Now it's time to find these problems at the top. So I'm looking for something that says 4 times a variable plus 3 equals 15. So I'm kind of going to look at, the back part. Oh, there's something. 15 equals 3 plus, all right, so this is G. Here we go. I'm looking for 12. Here's a 12. 4, the minus sign. Okay, C. Going to look for something with minus 10 after the equal sign. Okay, I got 2 of those. So I got to figure out which one is right. I need to have a variable on the top, over 8 on the bottom, but then I have to have minus 2. So variable on the top, 8 on the bottom, minus 2. This is 2 minus the variable on the top and 8 on the bottom. So this is wrong. That's one of those ones I don't want. I got this one. Okay? All right, 2n plus 7. She didn't mean that. 2n plus 7 equals 1. So I'm going to look through and hunt for there's my 1 equals, there's a 7 plus, here we go, f. All right. N over 5 minus 10 equals 55. So I got a 55. Okay. N over 5 minus 10, 55. So that's A. And then this one, negative 27. I got 2 of those. Plus 9. So I got a positive 9 here and a plus 9 here. And I got minus 3n. This says plus 3x. This is minus 3. So this is the catch. This one has a negative 3 in there, and it definitely says negative 3. So this is the one I want. This one is the no. All right? And then there's one more I didn't use, but I don't have to worry about it because I'm done with that. Right? Marcellus shoots free throws 4 times a week at his local YMCA. And this definitely says shots. Marcellus shoots free throws 4 times a week at his local YMCA. He shoots the same number of free throws on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and 33 on Saturday. So Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, he shoots the same amount, whatever that is, and 33 on Saturday. If he shoots 69 for the whole week, how many did he shoot on Monday? So the whole week is 69. So equals 69. Yes. Question? I'm ready. Huh? Okay, it says, it does not tell me anything. Oh, a graphic on it. So the Confederation. Oh, okay. So all you have to do, you're going to go through each one, and it wants to know what powers, any power that the state government has, you're going to write here. Okay? So, for instance, the new nation will be called the United States of America. Okay? We can just put that under national government. That's what it's called. Okay? All states are independent from one another. The state governor will retain all powers that are not specifically given to national Congress. So who do you think that, a state government power or a national government power?
State government.
Okay, I will put it under there. The state agrees to maintain friendly relationships. They will defend one another in times of trouble and protect their liberties and mutual welfare. State or national?
National.
States agree to...
Oh, I already started writing that one, the state government.
Okay. To maintain friendly relations among the states, all free inhabitants can move among the states and conduct business within without extra taxes. If fugitives from one state are living in another, they should be sent back to. So, what do you think? National power or state power?
State.
Okay. Every year, state legislatures will send representatives to the National Congress. Each state shall send no less than 2 or more of 7 delegates, and each state will have only 1 vote in Congress.
State.
Okay? No state can enter into a formal alliance with a foreign power. Neither states nor Congress shall give any title of nobility to anyone in the United States. 2 or more states cannot enter into their own treaties. States cannot maintain standing armies. So what kind of power? States can't do something. So who has the power here?
National.
Okay. In times of war, state legislatures will appoint all officers under the rank of colonel and maintain their armies.
State.
To pay for war, states will receive money from the national treasury in proportion to the amount of land they own. The state legislators will collect the taxes needed to fund the treasury. Who do you think that power?
State.
Okay. The National Congress will have the power too. So who do you think that is?
The Congress. National
Congress. Okay. A committee of states will be given the power to run the United States during the time Congress is in recess.
States.
Okay. Canada will be allowed admission to the United States. Any other commonly questioned admission will need 9 votes. Canada will be allowed admission into the United States. National, right? It's everybody, right? Congress pledges to repay any money borrowed.
National.
All states agree to abide by the Article of Confederation. To amend the articles, Congress and all the states must unanimously agree. National. Okay? And some of these I might have got them a little wrong, but from what I'm seeing, I like it. And number 5, I would do national, actually. Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sorry to you.
No problem. No, you're fine. I'll just edit it out. Not a problem. All right. So 69 is what it equals. So Monday, Wednesday, and Friday are all the same. Okay? So let's just say this is day, this is a day. They're all the same. Okay? So 1, 2, 3. How many? 1, 2, 3. So 3D, 3 days. Okay? But then on Saturday, something different happened. This is Saturdays. Right? So this is how I figure out what happened each day. Because this is going to be equal to D. And this is what I really want to know. I want to know Monday. Okay? And once I figure out what D is, I'll know Monday. So let's go. Can I combine anything on this side? Can I distribute here? No. Can I distribute here? No. Can I combine anything here? No. Can I combine anything here? No. Time to rewind. Okay? I have a plus 33 and I have 69 here. Neither of them have variables, so I can rewind this over here. 3D, this cancels, equals 36. This is a multiplication problem, so I divide by 3 on both sides, because what I do to one side, I have to do to the other. All right. These cancel. I'm left with D equals 36 divided by 3 is 12. So how many shots did he shoot on Monday? Marcellus shot 12 shots on Monday. Okay, it's important that you write this sentence because it answers the question. And we also know he shot 12 shots on Wednesday and Friday. All right? Let's keep going. Oh, look at this. We're almost done. All right. Variables on both sides. So let's keep going. We're still using our 5 steps for solving equations. Nothing has changed. Can I distribute anything on this side? No. Can I distribute anything on this side? No. All right. Can I combine anything on this side? No. Can I combine anything on this side? No. Time to rewind. Okay? I'm going to rewind my smallest variable, my term with the smallest coefficient. Okay? So this one is what I want to move. This is a positive 3m. Opposite is negative 3m. That cancels. That leaves me with plus 5 equals 7m minus 3m is 4m plus 4. All right? Ms. Robinson, why do you bring this plus down? That looks weird. I just bring it down so that you guys can get in the habit of just bringing down anything we didn't use. I didn't use it. I'm just bringing it down. It doesn't have to be there, but that's what I prefer to do. Okay? If you don't bring it down, it's not wrong. I just like to bring it down. Because if it's a minus there, I'd have to bring it down. So that's why I just bring it down. All right, let's keep going. Now, what are my like terms? Well, I see I got a +5 with no variable. I got a 4 plus 4 with no variable. I could put those together, but they're on opposite sides of the equal sign. So I'm still in that rewind stage. The opposite of +4 is -4. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other. +5 minus 4 is 1 equals 4m. This cancels. All right? Now, I still have a coefficient with m, and I need my coefficient to be 1. I need this number to be a 1 or not be there at all. And when it's not there at all, it's a 1. So I'm going to divide by 4. And what I do to one side, I have to do to the other. 4 divided by 4 is 1. I am left with m equals 1/4. All right, let's do the next one. Can I distribute anything over here? No. Can I distribute anything over here? No. Next step, can I combine anything over here? No, because this is 9a and this is just 3. There's no a. Can't put them together. Can I combine anything over here? No, because this is 4a. This is 9. Cannot put these together. Time to rewind. Okay? I'm going to move my term with the smallest coefficient first. That's this one. So this is a positive 4a. You sure can. Go ahead. So minus 4a, what I do to one side, do to the other. This right here is 5a. I know, I saw it. And right here, this is that minus 9. So this is what I'm talking about, bringing it, just keeping it with you and bring it down so you don't make those kind of mistakes. Okay? I have +3 with no variable. I have a -9 with no variable. I want to put those together, but they're on opposite sides of the equal sign, so I'm going to have to rewind, do the reverse. So +3, the opposite is -3. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other. 5a, this cancels. -9, -3, so I keep my minus sign and I add those together. That's going to be 12. All right, let's keep going. So I have 5a equals a -12. Right here, this is a multiplication sign. The opposite of multiplication is division, so I'm going to divide by the coefficient. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other. These cancel. I'm left with a equals -12/5. We're going to leave that as an improper fraction. All right, let's keep going. Can I distribute here? No. Can I distribute here? No. Can I combine here? No. Can I combine here? No. Time to rewind. Looking for the term with the smallest coefficient. That's this one. There's a -1 here. So the opposite of -1b is plus 1b or plus b. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other. Right here, this ends up being 4b minus 15 equals, I'm left with 17. These cancel. I want to put this minus 15 with this positive 17, but they're on opposite sides, so I have to do the opposite to get them together. 4b, the 15s cancel. 17 plus 15 is 32. This is a multiplication problem. The opposite is division. I have to divide by the coefficient that's right there. So I'm going to divide both sides by 4. That cancels and leaves me with b equals 32 divided by 4 is 8. All right. Another word problem. Bryce and Jennifer are college students at a local university. Bryce currently has 22 credits and plans to take 6 credits per semester until he graduates. Okay? Jennifer currently has 4 credits and plans to take 12 credits per semester until she completes her degree. After how many semesters will Bryce and Jennifer have the same number of credits? Write and solve an equation. So on one side is Bryce, and on the other side, I'm trying to get them to equal Jennifer. So let's see. So what did they tell me about Bryce? Bryce has 22 and 6 per semester. We need to know we don't know how many semesters, right? 6x plus 22. Jennifer So this is Bryce. Jennifer has 4 and plans to take 12 per semester. All right, so now I'm solving for the semesters, the thing I don't know. So can I distribute over here? No. Can I distribute over here? No. Can I combine over here? I can't put the 6x with the 22. Can I combine over here? No. Time to rewind. This is my term with the smallest coefficient. So it's a positive 6x, so I got to do minus 6x. That goes, I have plus 22 equals 12x minus 6x is 6x plus 4. I want to put this plus 22 and this plus 4 together. So to bring this plus 4 over here, I have to do the opposite, minus 4 on both sides. 22 minus 4 is 18 equals 6x. These cancel. Still trying to solve for x. Divide by the coefficient, divide each side by 6. 18 divided by 6 is 3 equals x. So, after how many semesters will Bryce and Jennifer have the same number of credits? After 3 semesters, Bryce and Jennifer will have the same number of credits. All right. Last page. Whew. All right, 27. Still using those 5 steps, so let's go. Can I distribute? Here, I actually can. This is really a -1, okay? So I'm going to distribute this -1 there and there. And when we distribute, we're multiplying, all right? So I'm going to write my 7m. -1 times -1 times 3m is -3m. -1 times +4 is a -4. Equals, can I distribute on this side? Yes, I got a -3 here, and I want to distribute it here. So -3 times 2m is -6m. -3 times a -1 is a +3. And then I bring down my plus 13. Yay, we finally distributed. Can I combine? Well, you know what? I got a positive 7m and a -3m. I can combine these, okay? I'm going to put a box here and then a box around here. Remember to keep the sign with the numbers in front of. So 7m minus 3m is 4m. Bring down my minus 4. Equals, can I combine anything on this side? Well, I have a plus 3 and a plus 13. So plus 3 plus 13. I want to bring my -6m down, and this is plus 16. Oh, it's getting so fuzzy. There we go. Okay, there we go. All right, I've done my combined stage. It's time to rewind. I'm going to move my smallest coefficient, my term with the smallest coefficient. So I'm going to move, I'm actually going to move the -6 because it's negative is smaller. I want to get rid of those. The opposite of -6m is plus 6m. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So 4m plus 6m is 10m minus 4 equals, this cancels, 16, okay, or plus 16. I want to move my -4 over here because these are like terms. The opposite of -4 is plus 4. And 4 to both sides. 10m equals 20. I have to divide by my coefficient next to my m, so divide both sides by 10. The 10's cancel. M equals 2. All right, let's go to 28. Can I distribute? Yes, I have a -1 right here. So let's distribute that in. X, -1 times a positive 4x is -4x. -1 times a -7 is a positive 7 equals 5x minus, can I distribute here? Yes, there's a -1. -1 times x. I'm first going to write my 5x, I apologize. -1 times x is -x. -1 times a positive 21 is a -21. All right, can I combine anything? Well, I have x here, and then I have -4x here, so I can combine those. X minus 4x, well, this is bigger, so -3x plus 7 equals, can I combine anything over here? I have 5x and I have -x. This is bigger, I'm taking 1 away, so that's 4x minus 21. All right, time for my rewind stage. I'm going to move my smaller coefficients. I have this -3x. The opposite is plus 3x. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other. These cancel. Plus 7 is left. 4x plus 3x is 7x. Minus 21 comes straight down. I want to combine my minus 21 and my plus 7, but I have to do the opposite. So plus 21 on both sides. 7 plus 21 is 28 equals 7x. This cancels. I have to divide by my coefficient, which is 7. 28 divided by 7 is 4 equals 7 divided by 7 is 1x. All right, last problem. I hope you guys got some work done today. Please tell me you got something done today. Promise me? You got some work done? Okay. All right. Yeah, just leave it on the desk. We'll get it tomorrow. Martwan put $2x plus $3 in the bank in this first week. The following week, he doubled the first week's saving. So first he put 2x plus $3 in. Then he doubled it. So first, second. All right. The next week he doubled what he put in week 2. So, wow, he doubled whatever you put here. Okay, he doubled that. And he put that in the bank. If he now has $477 in the bank, what amount did he put in the first week? All right, so let's add this up. So we know this is week 1, week 2, this is week 3. All right, so week 1, 2x plus 3. That's week 1. Plus, week 2 is this times 2. So 2 times this. Okay? Then week 3 is 2 times this. I'm going to write it down here. I ran out of room. Now that is a doozy, but you can do it, okay? You write, this was week 1, do this in here, this was week 2, do this in here in week 3, okay? Now, let's use our 5 steps. We're going to distribute. There's nothing to distribute here. Can I distribute here? Yes. This 2 goes here and here. So this ends up being 4x plus 6.
You have initial sharpener.
Right over there. Okay. Now we got to distribute here. We got 2. This here and here. So 2 times 2 is 4. And 2 times 2x. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2x is 4x. And 2 times 3 is plus 6. You can keep that. Yes. Okay? Equals 477. Am I done distributing? No. I got to do it one more time right here. What? Yes, of course. 4 distributes in. So 4 times 4x is 16x. 4 times 6 is 24. Alright? Now, I did this way. I always like to spread things out. And I want to actually write this one more time. I want to show you one more way to do this after I finish this, okay? So now, I've distributed. It's time to combine. So you have to go through and find all the ones with x's on them. And I will put a square around it. So I got 2x plus 4x plus 16x. So I know this right here is 20x plus 2 is 22x. So 22x. And I'm going to put circles around the numbers that don't have variables. Okay, so 6 plus 24 is 30 plus 3 is 33. And I still have equals 477. All right. Let's keep going. It's time to rewind. I want to move this 33 over here. So the opposite is minus 33. Minus 33. 22x. These cancel. Equal 477 minus 33. That's 444. Divide by the coefficient of x. X equals 444 divided by 22. That goes in there 2 times. Zero. I'm going to use a calculator for this one. There we go. Oh, I might have made a mistake. Yep, I made a mistake right here. I gotta scratch that part out. Yeah, this is not looking right. I'm gonna take the last part off. All right. I hope y'all packed up. It's almost 5 o'clock. You gotta go home. It's time for you to go.